Hey Tech fam, looking for a smartwatch that packs a punch without breaking the bank? The Nerunsa P66 might just fit the bill. But before you hit buy now, let's dissect the hype and see if it delivers on its promises. Packed with features like Bluetooth calling, 100 plus sports modes, and sleep tracking, the P66 sounds impressive for its price tag. Reviewers rave about the long battery life, lasting up to 7 days. Plus, its stylish design and comfortable fit earned points, with comments like, great value for the price, and love the watch faces. So, is the P66 a budget champion or a false promise? With an average rating of 4.2 stars, it seems to satisfy some users. But if seamless app integration, top-notch accuracy, and rock-solid water resistance are deal breakers, consider pricier options. The choice is yours, Tech Fam. Let me know in the comments below if the P66 fits your need.